Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing about the NIOS assignments of mathematics of this session. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the written forms. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238, which is showing on your screen below. And question number 6b is shown below is the histogram representing the runs scored by a cricket team in different overs. Answer the following questions based on the histogram. Now, in which intervals of the overs the cricket team scored maximum runs. Second, in which intervals of overs the cricket team scored equal number of runs. Third, construct a group frequency table for the data equal class sizes for the above histogram. And the fourth one, also construct a cumulative frequency table for the above group data. And fifth one is construct a frequency polygon for the data. So all the answers, if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is below on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.